In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Hostinger. If you need to update the email address linked to your Hostinger account, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. Changing your email can be useful if you no longer use your old address, if you want better security, or if you just prefer to keep all your account notifications going to a different inbox. The important thing is to make sure you enter an email address that you can access, because you'll need to confirm the change before it becomes active. To begin, sign into your Hostinger account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. Once the menu appears, click on Account Information. This will take you to the section where your personal account details and settings are managed. From here, take a moment to look through the page and scroll down until you find the Account Settings area. Inside Account Settings, look for the Email option and click on it. This is where you can update the primary email address associated with your account. When the email field opens, enter your new email address carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on, because even a small typo could send the confirmation message to the wrong place or prevent you from receiving it at all. After entering the new email, Hostinger will send a confirmation email to that address. At this point, open the inbox for your new email account and look for the message from Hostinger. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two and be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there. Open the confirmation email and follow the instructions provided to verify the new address. This step is required so the email change won't be completed until you confirm it. Once you do that, your Hostinger account will be updated with the new email, and that's it. Your email address has now been changed successfully. As a final tip after updating your email, make sure you remember which address is now connected to your account so you don't miss future billing notices, security alerts, or login-related messages. If this is part of a general account cleanup, it can also be a good time to review your other account details and make sure everything is up to date.